So we've got a rechargeable handheld Hoover. Obviously, look, it's only a little tiny. It does come with a load of accessories and attachments and a new filter. So that's going to be phenomenal. Right, come clean the cat litter up with me. So if you see, look, he makes an absolute pig's ear of this. So 2 speeds. Oh my goodness. I mean, it sounds like it's going to take off. Okay, so it is only little. And clearly, because it's only little, it's going to fill up quite easily. Give me 2. So, for a little handheld, yes, I had to empty it quite a few times, but the amount of cat litter and that little thing, you were going to have to. Look! So there you go, all ready for Fairy Face to go and make a mess again.